아, 나, 그, 비, 나비. It means butterfly. Hello everyone, I'm your Korean teacher, Claire. How's the weather in your country? Here in Korea, it's so freezing. If you're living in Korea, please bundle up today and don't catch a cold. 자, 그럼 오늘 수업 시작할까요? Today we are going to learn how to read Korean in just 10 minutes. If you follow my lesson and then after 10 minutes, you can read how to read Hangul anywhere, any place, I promise. Do you remember 14 consonants and 10 vowels that I taught you before? If you do not watch the videos, I recommend that you watch them first, okay? Okay, now let's quickly review how to pronounce the 14 consonants and 10 vowels. Okay, let's go to the consonant first. I write down the pronunciation of each consonant on the left side. 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 부, 스, 주, 츠, 그, 트, 프, 흐. Okay, perfect. And then let's go to the vowel. 아, 야, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Beautiful. Before you combine each consonant and the vowel, we have to know one rules about how to make a letter. The first one, when you combine each consonant and vowel, consonant always, all the time precede vowel all the time. Like this or this. And then there are two options where the following vowel this and this can be placed. The first option is like this. The vowels should be next to the consonant. And the second option is like this. The vowel should be below the consonant. Please keep those two rules in mind. It makes you much easier to pronounce Hangul. Okay, now we'll learn how each consonant and vowel is pronounced. Let's combine them. Let's try reading it yourself before I tell you how to read it. When you combine them, you can say 가. And how about this? 그 and 야. So we say 갸. Right. And this 거, 겨, 고, 교, 구, 규, 그, 기. Perfect. I try next one in the same way. 나, 냐, 너, 녀, 노, 요, 누, 뉴, 느, 니. 다, 야, 너, 여, 도, 요, 두, 요, 느, 니. 나, 야, 너, 여, 로, 요, 루, 요, 르, 니. 수, 슈, 스, 시. Okay, this consonant is very special because when you put this consonant at the word initial position, it has no sound. It means silent sound. But when you put this at the word final position, which is 받침 in Korean, it has sound. I will cover the 받침 later. Here, this is the word initial position. So in this case, you just pronounce vowel. 아, 야, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. 하, 샤, 허, 혀, 호, 효, 후, 휴, 흐, 히. Okay, perfect. And now we learn how each consonant and vowel is pronounced. Let's combine them and learn how to read actual words. 그, 아, 가, 즈. This vowel produce 이, 지, 가지, 가지. It means eggplant. Next one. 느, 아, 나, 나. 브, 이, 비, 비. 나비, 나비. It means butterfly. 드, 드. 아, 다, 다. 르, 이, 다리, 다리. It has two meanings in Korean. The first one, it has a leg for body. The second one is bridge. Interesting, right? And the next one, 부, 아, 바, 바. 즈, 이, 지, 바지, 바지. It means pants, right? In this word, this vowel, U, is the vowel that is placed underneath the consonant. M, A, ma. S, U, S. K, U, K. 마스크. Let's read it together. 마스크. Can you guess the meaning? Yes, it's a similar pronunciation with mask in English. The next one. 부, 아, 바. 즈, 이, 지. 바지, 바지. It means pants. And this consonant is very special, as I told you earlier, because if this consonant is placed at the word initial position, it has no sound. So you can just read whatever vowel that follows. Here, a, a. In this, 그, 이, 기, 아기, 아기. It means baby. How about this? It has no sound, silent. You can just read vowels that follow. A, 아, 부, 버, 즈, 이, 지, 아버지, 아버지. It means father. Yes. 크, 아, 카. And this consonant, 드. And this vowel, U, is placed underneath the consonant, U, 드, 드. 카드, 카드. It means card. Now I give you time to try reading it yourself first. Can you read it? Okay, let's read it together. 푸, 아, 파. And this, 드. And this vowel, O, is placed underneath the consonant, O. So, this one, so can you read this? 파, 도, 파, 도. It means wave. This time I give you one letter. 차, 아, 차, 차. In Korean, it has two meanings. The first one is tea, and the second one, it means car. Can you try reading it yourself? Okay, let's do it together. It is no sound in the word initial position, so then you can just read following vowel. E, E, no sound, and vowel, O. So, 타, 이, 어. 타, 이, 어. 타, 이, 어. Yes, the English has a similar pronunciation. Tire, like flat tire or strong tire. Yes. How about this? Hu, a, ha, mu, a, ma, hama, hama. It means hippo. Great. Good job. Very good job, everybody. You got this. And now you can read how to read actual words in Hangul. Next time, I'll teach you 받침. It means final consonant. It takes so much time to explain the rules about 받침, but I will teach you in the easiest way. So, I will teach them in a separate video next time. See you next time. 여러분, 정말 잘하셨어요. 다음 시간에 봐요.